We're playing hide and seek, my sister. Oh my god. This is our cat, the last short. And we're gonna play hide and seek.
Yes.
Okay, put it down. Put it down. Okay, let's play hide and seek. Who's gonna count?
You.
Okay, you take this and go hide.
Yes.
Okay, I'll go count. Go hide now. 10, 9, 8. We're playing hide and seek. 31, 32, 33. My cat just almost scratched me. Hey! You will stop! Ah! Look! Okay, it's done. I'll go check him. 31. I'm going to go hide. Okay, I'm in my house. Okay, I'm Oh, I found you. And that's the end. But there's still more games. This is we're playing nothing.